In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your ClickUp account. This is a quick, practical walkthrough to help you securely end your session, especially useful if you're on a shared or public computer and want to make sure no one else can access your workspace after you're done. First, make sure you're looking at your ClickUp workspace on your computer. Up at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might be your profile photo or simply your initials inside a small circle. That's the control you'll use to access account options. Move your mouse over to that top right area and click the profile icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. It's fairly extensive, with a variety of options for settings, notifications, and workspace management. Don't worry about everything you see there. We're focused only on signing out. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of that drop-down menu. If your window is smaller or you're zoomed in, you might need to scroll a bit more to see everything. At the bottom, you'll find the Logout option. Go ahead and click Logout. After you click, don't be alarmed if there's a brief loading delay. That's normal. ClickUp is closing your active session to keep your information secure. In just a moment, you'll be redirected to the logged out or sign in page. When you see that screen, you're officially signed out of your account. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Before you log out, make sure you've saved any work in progress so you don't lose updates. If you had multiple ClickUp tabs open, signing out from one typically ends the session across those tabs as well. If you don't immediately see the logout option in the menu, try scrolling or slightly expanding your browser window, as some items can be hidden when space is tight. And that's it. You've successfully logged out. It's a simple, reliable way to protect your work and your data anytime you step away from your device. If you ever need to get back in, just return to the sign-in page and enter your credentials when you're ready. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more clear, practical guides just like this. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.